The Aeronautical Development Agency has started the process to fabricate and install Tejas Mark2 simulator at the Aeronautical Development Establishment facility in Bengaluru that will be used to train the pilots that will eventually fly the actual aircraft from 2026. The pilots will get a first-hand view of Tejas Mark2 cockpit and will provide feedback on the layout of instruments to carry out further improvements before developers finalize the design layout of the cockpit for the production variant. The Tejas Mark2 will not have any two-seater trainer variant, so the flight simulators will play a key role in the training of new pilots at the pre-production stage and will come in handy to train pilots that are moving to the Tejas Mark2 squadrons. French media has reported that India might announce Dassault Aviation's Rafale-M as the winner for Indian Navy's deck-based fighter requirements for 26 units during Prime Minister Modi's visit to France in July this year. Prime Minister Modi will be chief guest at the Bastille Day Military Parade 2023 that will be held in Paris on 14th of July 2023. The Cabinet Committee on Security will clear purchase of 26 Rafale-M very soon, but the chances of a deal being signed by July is highly impossible, since it still needs to go through multiple rounds of process that might take several months. The Ministry of Defence has signed a contract with Bharat Electronics Limited for the procurement of 13 Lynx U-2 fire control systems for Indian Navy at 1,700 crore rupees, that is capable of accurately tracking and engaging air and sea targets amidst sea clutter. The fourth-generation fire control system will be installed on 60 next-generation offshore patrol vessels that will be built indigenously at Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Goa Shipyard Limited. The Ministry of Defence has signed a contract with Bharat Electronics Limited for the procurement of automated air defence control and reporting system worth 1,982 crore rupees for the Indian Army that will enable monitoring of low-level airspace over the battle areas and effectively control the ground-based air defence weapons systems and empower the air defence units of the Army to effectively operate in an integrated manner. The Ministry of Defence has signed a contract with Bharat Electronics Limited for the supply of Sarang Haliborn electronic support measure systems along with associated support package at an overall cost of 412 crore rupees that will be equipped on maritime helicopters of the Indian Navy. The Sarang Advanced Electronic Support Measure System intercepts, detects and identifies air-ground shipborne radar emissions, including short-duration transmissions from submarines. The Ministry of Defence has signed a 3,000 crore rupees contract with New Space India Limited for the supply of an advanced communication satellite GSAT-7B for the Army. The Army will receive the satellite in 2026 that will significantly improve mission-critical beyond line-of-sight tactical communication to troops and formations, as well as remotely piloted aircraft, air defence weapons and other airborne platforms. Airbus has awarded a contract to TASL Advanced Systems to manufacture cargo and bulk cargo doors of the A320neo aircraft family at its facility in Hyderabad. The doors will be built using cutting-edge robotics and automation technology, and each ship set will include 2 cargo doors and 1 bulk cargo door.